Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you're still living the same day you've been living for months, the same habits, the same delays, the same things you keep telling yourself you'll fix someday. A lot of people think changing their life is some huge project, something that takes years. But if you look closely, most people's lives don't stay the same because they lack information. They stay the same because they keep repeating the same actions. So in the next few minutes, I want to show you 5 simple steps that can help you start turning things around today. Not life hacks, not some secret routine, just things that actually make a difference. And before we start, there's one step in this video that almost nobody talks about. It's simple, takes less than 5 minutes, and honestly, it's the one thing that helped me stop falling back into the same cycle over and over again. So don't skip ahead, because if you miss that step, the rest of this video will be a lot harder to actually use. Step 1. Stop trying to rebuild your whole life overnight. This is where people usually mess up. They get motivated and suddenly decide they're going to wake up at 5 a.m., work out every day, study for hours, eat healthy, and become a completely different person. For 2 days it feels great. Then reality shows up, and everything falls apart. Instead of fixing everything, find the one area that's causing the most damage right now. Maybe it's your phone. Maybe it's your health. Maybe it's the fact that you keep putting important things off. Start there. One problem solved is better than 10 problems being ignored. Step 2. Fix your surroundings. Your environment affects you more than most people realize. When your room is a mess, your mind often feels the same way. You keep seeing unfinished things everywhere. Clothes on a chair, a desk full of random stuff, notifications popping up every few minutes. Spend 20 minutes cleaning something, your room, your desk, your phone. It's not going to magically change your life, but it creates a feeling that things are under control again, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. Step 3. Keep one promise to yourself. Most people don't trust themselves anymore, not because they're lazy, because they've broken the same promises too many times. I'll start tomorrow. I'll wake up early. I'll do it later. After a while, your own brain stops taking you seriously. So today, make one promise that is almost impossible to fail. Read for 5 minutes. Go for a short walk. Study one chapter, something small. The goal isn't to impress anyone. The goal is to prove to yourself that your word still means something. Step 4. Remove one thing that's wasting your time. You don't always need more good habits. Sometimes you just need fewer bad ones. Think about the last week. What's eating up most of your time? Scrolling? Watching things you don't even care about? Constantly checking your phone? Pick one thing and cut it down. Not forever. Just enough to get some time back. You'd be surprised how much changes when you stop giving away hours without noticing. Step 5. Decide where you're going. And this is the step I was talking about earlier. It's the one that most people skip. A lot of people feel stuck because they don't have a direction. They're busy every day. But busy and moving forward aren't the same thing. Take a piece of paper and write down where you want to be 6 months from now. Keep it simple. What do you want to improve? What do you want to stop doing? What kind of person do you want to become? Write it down. Because once you have a direction, your decisions become easier. You stop guessing, you stop drifting, and you start moving with purpose. Look, your life probably won't be perfect tomorrow. That's not the point. The point is that one day can change the direction of the next 6 months. One decision can start a chain reaction. One action can break a pattern you've been stuck in for years. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Use today. Pick one step from this video and do it before the day ends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.